Operation and replenishment of TCN Smart Fridge Weight Sensing. 1. Creation of product library background. First, we can see a table commodity and the folder pick on the computer. We save the product pictures to the PIC folder. Then we fill in the table commodity based on the product information. The name of the table can only be commodity. Incorrect names will cause product library import failed. Before filling out the form, we need to weigh the items purchased by piece and write down its weight. To fill in the form, we need to fill in the product name, price, specifications, product weight, expiration time, pricing method, weight floating value according to the specific information of the product, as well as the corresponding picture address, product detail picture, product description, and product type. Notice 1. Pay attention to the difference between purchasing by weight and purchasing by piece. The product specifications and product weight purchased by weighing are 500 grams, piece and 500 grams, while the product purchased by pieces is the weight of a single item. For example, the bottled coffee drink weighed before was 291 grams. So its product specifications and product weight are 291 grams and 291 grams. 2. Product weight can only be integers, without decimal points. For example, if the weight of red wine is 1,170.6 grams, the correct value is 1,171 grams. Otherwise, the data imported in the background will be inaccurate. 3. The weight floating value is 2 to 5. That is, the maximum difference in weight is 5%. Therefore, the weight of goods purchased by pieces cannot differ by 5% when sold on the same pallet. Import the product library into the backend and put products on shelves. 1. Import the table commodity and folder pick into the USB flash drive and plug it into the USB interface on the machine. 2. Log into the machine backend. Click on the product library. Click on Import Data, and the product library will be imported with one click. According to the products for sale, put them on the corresponding pallets. Click Put on Shelf to import product information with one click. Note that peeling should be performed before replenishing. Replenishment. Just put the products on the corresponding trays, and the products can be stacked freely. Products purchased by weight with the same price can be placed on the same pallet. Products purchased by piece with a weight difference within 5% can also be placed on the same pallet. In this way, we have completed the entire operation and replenishment process.